Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. This video is all about the Dreamina AI. If you're looking for a simple and powerful way to create AI generated images using just text prompt, so Dreamina AI might be the perfect tool for you. In this video, I'll give you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to use the Dreamina AI from logging in, generating your first image, using its feature and getting the best results. Whether you're a beginner or just curious, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. So first you have to go to your browser. You can choose any browser of your choice. Here I'm using Google Chrome. So once you have opened the browser, you have to just simply search for Dreamina AI and then you will get to different results. From the results, you have to just simply choose the first one. So just simply click onto this one, which is the Dreamina free AI image generator. After that you will get to its website and this is how it looks. You can see here we have different sort of images that has been created. It shows its portfolio. Now if you want to start it, then you just have to simply click onto to this option, and after that it will take you to a page where you can just simply sign up. So you can use your Gmail or any other email, whatever you prefer, to create your account onto it and start creating images or the videos. So you can see all these options. You can choose any one of these. Just simply provide your credentials and just simply connect with it. After that it will ask you for your date of birth, so just simply add your birthday here. Make sure you add the right one and must be 18 plus. And once you have selected, then it will just take a while to load and then it will take you to the next page where you will be able to create images. Here it shows that it is integrated with a CapCut. Now here we have the options. First is to ask that why you want to use it or who you are, so you can choose as per your choice. Then here we have three tools: image generator, video generator and AI avatar generator. Now here we are onto this home page. Along with these tools, we also have these explore section where you can find out all the art pieces that have been created by other users, so you can get the inspiration and can get the idea how this works. In the explore, the things will be same. You will be able to see what people have created, so you can get the idea. We also have the categories, and in profile, whatever you create, it will be there, like it will be your library. Now we will go to this image generator. You have to click on this option and you get there. Now you just have to simply provide your prompt, and according to your prompt it will generate an image. In the prompt you just have to simply write word to word what you exactly need in your image. So once you have pasted or written your prompt, then we have the model. You can click onto it. There are different models. I guess the 3.0 is the latest one, so you can choose it. Then we have the resolution. You can choose any one of these, but the standard is the free one. Then we have the aspect ratio, which is the dimensions. So again, it's up to you, whatever you like you can use it, and same with the size, and just simply click on generate. Now it will just take a while, like a minute or maybe few seconds in generating, and once it is done you will see it has generated four different variations of the prompt we have given to it. So here you can see the results. This is how you can create images with the help of the prompt. Once it has been created, you can just simply download it, you can upscale it, and if you would like to do changings within the image that have been created, you can also do it. Other than the AI image generation, you can also create videos and talking avatars with it, but these ones are the paid ones, so you have to get a subscription to use the platforms. But through this section, AI shorts, you can get the idea like what quality of video you can create. So if you find it useful, then you can just simply get it subscription and start generating videos and AI talking avatars. And whatever you create, it will be in your assets later. Whenever you want, you can access them if you want any sort of changes. Other than that, if you want the editor, we also have the canvas editor where you can get the images that you have generated and you can do some little bit of the changings. So this is the Dreamina AI. This is how you can create images with the help of prompt, and how you can create the video and also the AI avatar. The platform is super easy to access. You just have to simply search for Dreamina AI and you will be onto its website. Then you can just simply sign up with your account and start generating artwork. So this was all about the Dreamina AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, drop a comment with your favorite style, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials and creative tools. Thank you for watching.